World Wildlife Day, celebrated annually on March 3rd, is a global event dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation. Established by the United Nations in 2013, this day marks the anniversary of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, a crucial agreement that helps protect endangered species from exploitation. Each year, World Wildlife Day highlights a specific theme, focusing on issues such as habitat loss, climate change, and the illegal wildlife trade. It serves as a reminder of the urgent need to protect biodiversity and encourages people to take action through education, conservation efforts, and sustainable practices. Whether through wildlife documentaries, educational programs, or conservation initiatives, World Wildlife Day inspires individuals and organizations worldwide to work toward a future where humans and wildlife can thrive together.